What's up guys, my name is Clara, it's great to see you back, I hope you are all doing great. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Today we are gonna make salmon bowl. This recipe is easy, it's quick and it's great for hot summer days. So let's do that. We are gonna need salmon. I am using plant-based cream with the butter aroma, but you are welcome to use butter or olive oil. Then we are gonna need salt and pepper, rice, baby spinach, spring onion, cucumber, avocado. I am using Sriracha, it's a chili sauce, and then also Hoisin sauce. The great would be also, for example, teriyaki sauce. And I forgot to show you guys, I am gonna use also my black and white sesame seeds at the end of this video, so stay until then. After I washed my salmon, I am using salt and pepper from the both sides. In the meantime, I am gonna make my basmati rice. I am having 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water, and this rice needs, I think, about 10 or 15 minutes to be done. Then I am gonna heat up my plant-based cream, or it's up to you, butter or olive oil for example. First, I always set the temperature on high and I'm gonna fry the salmon for 2 minutes from the both sides. And then I'm gonna set the temperature on medium, put the lid over and let it cook a little bit. Then I'm gonna check the conditions. It's just perfect. I like when my salmon is cold, so it's a little bit crispy. I'm gonna turn it on the skin side and let it cook a little bit more. The rice is almost ready. Then I'm gonna cut my cucumber and the spring onion. And so quick it goes, it's time for serving, guys. So guys, I think this turned out very well. I cannot wait to eat it. I hope you like this recipe. Comment below if you try to make it and hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I'm gonna thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye bye.